If you're ever mixing and matching colors and you're not sure which color should go with which other color, there's actually a definitive answer for every color. And there's a concept called the color wheel that's used predominantly in design, very common. And you see on the right side here, you see all these colors that have their opposites that pop. And there's a color wheel, and there's different kinds of color wheels. This is useful enough for us. You see, like red goes good with green, yellow with purple, and so on. And you'll see this across all kinds of logos. Anything that's professionally made, any kind of professionally made logos, probably they use opposites. So if you're ever wondering, well, which color would go well with the one I have, here's your answer. This also has a color chart. So you have a lot of color options because there's, intermediate colors, kind of off shades and things like this. So this is pretty nice to use. If you ever have any of these colors, you know what goes with them that pops. So whenever you're designing, instead of doing a lot of trial and error, what you'll do is just use, hey, I have red. I know what goes well with red. That's green. What goes well with blue, orange, and so on. With white, black, and so on and so on. So now there's no more guessing when you're designing of which color goes with which.